kanino naka-point yan?
Sa inyong dalawa.
He's like, we can have twins. I'm like, how do you will that?
Kakain ka ng saging na kamba. I mean,
Yun lang ba?
di ba?
Love, soft as an easy chair.
Stupid!
Okay, so we decided to do this really fun game. We Googled this.
Parang ano bang ginagawa ng mga magkakaibigan sa isang vlog?
So it would be fun to do a most likely challenge.
Parang sa yearbook, alam mo yung sa yearbook may mga most likely to go to space. Yung mga ganon. Pero us. And we've never done this before.
Yes.
We did look at the questions, obviously.
Yeah.
Ako
Pero
hindi mo
namin sinagot.
natingnan.
Okay, okay.
Ako yung masa-surprise.
What? Oh, okay.
Ako? Oh, well, yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. Ako yung laging exage yung reaction. I'm easily upset.
I'm upset.
We're both running. Tama.
We're both...
We're
Yeah.
both running. That's why she pointed at me, because I'm also.
So there are times, obviously, Pia's like super busy, and then I message her, and then I'll message her again because I saw that she read it. Tapos parang feeling ko, ang dami ko nang nagawang mali. Like, friendship overload.
Oh.
Like, ang dami kong overthink.
Magma-message pa yun sa akin.
Yeah.
Mar. Si Pia, di nag-apply. Do you think I did something wrong?
Yeah.
Girl, no,
Literally.
it's okay.
No.
I'm pretty sure everything's fine. You're okay.
And then si P naman, pag nag-joke siya, it meant no bigger thing. Tumawa lang ako. Tapos mag-message siya after. Galit ka ba?
Praning.
Praning. AKA
Yes.
praning. Yes.
Truly. At least.
I was gonna go like this. Parang I haven't stayed like in the same room with Mar.
But they've seen
But
the
we've
background.
seen the background.
Yeah, they've seen the mess through Zoom. I admit, ako talaga pinakamakalat.
I mean, when we say that, it's not, I mean, amongst the three of us,
Yeah.
not the whole world. You know.
Yeah.
To make her feel better.
Yeah, to make me feel better. So I think,
Who's the... Kasi kanino naka-point yan?
Sa inyong dalawa.
and we'll leave it at that.
Yes. We're failing at the game.
Okay.
Nagay ako mag-onsen. Well, it's not really skinny dipping, but I feel like it shows
It's like
comfort.
It's the first step to skinny dipping. Ang onsen.
Yes.
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 I just pointed at Parang wala. I feel like none of us would.
I would eat
Why?
cooked worms.
Ah,
Cooked,
talaga?
cooked. If
Oh,
it was
like,
cooked, I would.
I'm sorry, because I'm
Exotic.
thinking about like
Raw.
earthworms.
Pero yung mga exotic insect,
Insects.
worm type of stuff, would you? I think the two of you are more adventurous with food than I am. So yeah, definitely not me.
Kasi sa ibang culture, kunyari, kahit naman sa atin, meron tayong mga pagkain sa Philippines
Yeah.
na medyo taboo or kakaiba. I'm sure in other countries as well, like Thailand, ganyan.
Yeah.
So would you eat like street food na medyo iba?
Yes, definitely. I mean, I've had cricket.
Ayun, yan. I never. Even balut, di ko kinaya. So,
Really? You're the biggest public figure. So I
Yes.
guess like there are more eyes on you.
tama.
That's why. Like people, I mean, like if I make a mistake, it's not, people don't really
Notice. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, interesting.
Ay,
Oh,
and you
dalawa
too.
sa'yo?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 2 votes, Carla. She voted for herself.
Yeah.
And Mar.
1 vote me. No votes you.
No.
Well, I guess, yeah, given our history of dating kasi, we're prone to commitment, I guess.
Yeah.
Totoo. In the situation nga, I feel nga that you are healthier in terms of having relationships.
You're careful about getting into commitment.
Yeah. Honestly, feeling ko mas mature ka sa relationships.
Yeah.
I chose Carla because I feel like she's a hopeless romantic.
Yeah.
She can't wait to get married.
Yeah. Yep, ano na?
He's right here.
Joke.
Oh,
She's a married woman.
She's
so.
married.
In fairness, ako naman na dapat, sa totoo lang.
Yeah.
Getting to it.
Wait, is this something you guys want to do soon or not really yet?
Yeah, we do. Kasi, honestly, if we had our church wedding when we, planned, which was October 11, 2020, for sure, buntis na ako ngayon. So, of course, we had to push everything back because of the pandemic. Kasi, syempre, my parents want me to be married at church before anything. And then, but the pandemic too, as another hindrance for me, personally, I don't wanna go through that. So, yeah. But, soon, I really want to, once everything's okay. I get it. I was late coming here. Like,
He was late to this important event.
yup. So, ako na yung pinaka may recent strike. Definitely. Sorry, Greggy, my husband. In fairness naman to him, sinasabi naman niya na aminin ko. Siya rin kasi, medyo mabagal siya gumalaw. And I don't drive. He's my driver. But, I do hold some responsibility naman in that aspect. So,
Oh,
thank you.
exactly what I need.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Take it. It's a I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I always feel like I beat around the bush.
No.
Well, that's why I'm dramatic, because I'm always expressing what I need.
Yes.
You did, right?
I didn't.
Oh,
I went skydiving.
That's
I don't know if I could ever bungee jump, but I also said that about skydiving. So, maybe. Would you guys?
Yeah. I don't have a fear of heights. I'm not actively looking for the experience. But if I was there, just because I'm competitive, when you have friends with you and you're like, oh, takot ka pala. I'm like, di ba? Let's go.
Okay, I think that would be the only situation that I would say yes. Just because everyone's doing it and I'll be a coward if I don't do it, then I'd do it. But any other time, no thank you. It's okay.
This is definitely
Yeah,
me.
easy one.
I mean, I'll have 10 cats as soon as I get my own place. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok.
Wow, this is enlightening.
Kasi ikaw pinaka nagsasend ng mga videos
Yeah.
sa group. Pero sometimes, but a lot you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Why me?
Wait, why her?
You've told me about some purchases of yours in terms of like luxury shit.
That was
You
one
spend a lot.
time.
Okay.
No, I'm super kuripot. Like, I only spend on
Yes.
like travel and food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one luxury regret, which is because I'm kuripot.
I bought this keychain.
Okay.
It's a Carlito keychain. It's a Fendi keychain. And I saw it sa mga likod-likod lang nung mga kalat ko. And it cost me like $1,800.
What? For a keychain?
I know.
Apologize, Carla. I should have pointed to her. Joke. Baka naman mabenta mo pa.
Pamay na lang po.
Sorry.
Oh, thanks.
oh, you're making a mistake. I'll be the first to die.
Well, because you're very careful. And during the pandemic, hindi talaga siya lumabas. Natiis niya talaga. Kung talagang you have to stay home and guard yourself, you would be the champion. Actually, ikaw din.
No, I would totally agree with you on that, except in a zombie apocalypse, I truly believe that hiding out in one area will get you killed. I feel like you would be the adventurous one who would go out like guns a-blazing, like bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like you would survive.
Yeah, I'd be like, oh, take me.
Ayoko na.
That's so funny.
In terms of sexuality, si Carla yung pinaka, at least outwardly, mahinhin talaga and not very open about your sexuality, I guess. That's why I kind of connoted to being
Makes
a nun.
sense.
Yeah. Least provocative.
Tama.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like it would be me too.
Yeah. She already has 5 dogs.
Yeah, that's a very good precursor of what might come.
Yeah.
But oh my gosh, I do not want 5 kids. Oh my gosh. With the gastos and all of that, I feel like it's so hard to have a big family.
Would you rather have all boys or all girls?
All girls.
How many kids do you guys want?
Jeremy wants 6.
Dapat ikaw pala?
Well, he's like, we can have twins. I'm like, how do you will that?
Kakain ka ng saging na kamba. I mean,
Yun lang ba?
diba?
Duh.
Kami 2 or 3 din. So, mali pala kami. Sila
Yeah
pala. Kasi they're aiming high eh. Kung
Oo
6.
nga eh.
But he's aiming.
Distinction. I wouldn't think that you would get the sleeve tattoo. Talaga?
Really? I mean, if I wasn't a beauty queen, I would get piercings and tattoos.
Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah, like, honestly, duwag lang ako. Sa totoo lang, I don't have a tattoo yet, but I really, really, really
None
want
of us
one.
have, no?
None of us
Let's
have.
get a matching one.
What should
Abangan.
it be?
Abangan.
Comment
Okay.
down below.
Really? You?
You use your platform so well.
Totoo.
So,
And I know how you work. Like, you're gonna freaking be diligent and you're gonna be a perfectionist
Yeah.
about being the best president of this country.
Susunod na halalan. Hindi po natin alam kung anong taon, pero abangan nyo po ang pagtakbo ko po papuntang Jollibee.
Ako?
makatulong ka.
Honestly, alam ko ako yun eh, pero nahiya ako kaya si Carla na lang.
May emphasis nandito sa mukha ko yun too.
It would be me. Love, soft as an easy chair. Stupid! Love, fresh as the morning. Stupid love! Okay.
Well, actually, yeah. Ito si Wurtzbach ni Wurtzbach. Like, she's ready to fight. When someone's fighting me, Pia's like, awayan natin, And then, Mar is also the same. She's
Yeah.
fiercely protective.
But the thing is, I'm duwag ako eh. All bark, no bite.
In fairness.
No. Sometimes, like, you help me. Like,
Okay.
sometimes when people
Social
comment and
media.
it's out of line, you back me up.
Tama.
I guess I would defend, but not provoke.
Tama ka.
You would defend.
Mar would be the most likely. We're all non-confrontational, but Mar would be the most likely.
Oh! Well,
Talaga
both
kayo?
of you.
I don't know, like, I love cats, so when I see one, I'm always like, meow! I'm already a crazy cat lady.
She is.
And you
I'll
baby talk to them. You talk to them like an adult eh. I
do.
noticed. Like, parang, no, don't do that.
I do.
But
I
siya parang,
speak their language.
Magano siya.
Alam ko si Carly.
No, I believe it. I believe it. you would do that too.
Yeah. Depending kung
such a
gaan.
germaphobe.
Ayun. Yun nga, tama ka dun eh. Yun yung naisip ko. Germaphobe ka nga eh.
I would eat anything kahit na 1 week na yung pizza na yung nakatayo dyan.
Yeah.
But also, you've come to my rescue a few times.
True.
Yeah.
Like, in terms of, like, say, sa mga group chat, si Carla lagi, pag siya yung kausap mo, nagre-respond yan kagad. Kami ni Pia medyo matagal.
I would do something.
She loves freebies. I mean,
Di ba mas masarap pag libre? Oh, you would?
I will fight for my crowns with any board game, any card game. I wanna win. I'll play dirty.
they would know you
know
more.
you. Yeah.
And would have more to say than us, who are like random people.
You know how some kids are like really honest and they would say, you're fat or something like that. You know how they're really honest?
It's true, it's true.
And then I would like,
Okay, yeah, I get it.
innocent and they never lie.
It must be true. My college friends told me when I went to Binibini and tried, they didn't pray for me to win. They prayed for me not to trip. So, that gives you an idea of how bad it could be. But yeah, I'm clumsy.
Down.
I take pride in, like, eating a lot.
She does.
Like, one time, may inubos akong steak for sharing. Tapos sabi nila, ma'am, first time po namin makakita na makaubos ng ganyan kalaking steak. Tapos ako parang, yeah, thanks. Take it as a compliment.
Nung nakaubos ako ng family size na pizza on my own, I felt like that was an achievement.
I once ate a full freaking pan of sinigang that was meant for the whole family. A family of 3 on my own.
Okay.
With rice. With rice.
Really? I don't know. We always talk about this kasi na parang, you might see us again as batchmates.
It's
in
not
Mrs.
over yet.
Universe.
I would do it just for fun. Just
Yeah,
to,
we would do it.
just to hang out.
It
Multiple times.
the other day.
Yeah, it happened the other day. It did.
Sabi ko talaga, Mars! Ang dami ko pang sinasabi. Tapos parang, tuwid yata siya. Inisip ko nga, kick ko ba siya? Pero paano kung bumalik siya?
Pag nagising,
Wow,
diba?
I love that you hope pa rin.
In fairness, ang dami kong times na nagulat ako. But I also get it. Like, it's a good self-realization exercise.
Medyo expected ko na yung mga tinuro niyo sa akin, yung talaga yung matuturo sa akin.
But
You have good self-awareness.
Yeah. I thought I was a good girl, but it turned out I'm not a good girl.
Good girl
How am I
naman.
gonna be president? I'm just kidding.
If I'm the most likely to get arrested.
It was fun doing this. I had fun. Did you guys have fun?
I had fun. We should do this more often.
If you guys have any ideas na mga challenges na pwede namin gawin as friends, we're trying to do this trio more often. Please comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends if you guys had fun watching our episodes. We'll see you again next time. Bye!